Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about Year 9 Achievement Test, June 2023. Section B, Question 30. Sven has been on holiday to England and to France. He brought back 54 pounds from England and 65 euros from France. Now, this is the exchange rate of dollars and pounds, and this one is the exchange rate of euros and dollars. How much money did Sven bring back in total? Give your answer in dollars. Now, they already told you that the answer must be given in dollars. This means turn them all to dollars and then add them together. That's the whole idea. So first we have two exchange rates, so we're going to use them. The first exchange rate is dollars to pounds. So I'm going to put it like this, dollars. Let me use a different color here. Let's make it bigger so we can see it. So the first one, dollars, let's call the other one pounds or P, pounds, dollars to pounds. So here, this is $1, so we write one under it like this. And this one is 0.75 pounds, 0.75 pounds. This means that $1 equals 0.75 pounds. Now we go back to the question and check how many pounds do we have. Here we have 54 pounds. This means that under the pounds, I write 54 like this. Now with this exchange rate, I'm trying to turn what? Turn 54 pounds into dollars. Now, when you look at the numbers that we have three numbers, $1 to 0.75. This is the exchange rate. And he has 54 pounds. He wants to turn them into dollars. Now, here we can use the X method or the cross multiplying method. We multiply these and then we divide it by 0.75 to get the answer for this question. And by that, we will turn 54 pounds to dollars. Now, we use the calculator to do this. First, when you multiply 54 by 1 is going to be 54. Now, 54 times 1 is 54. And then divide it by 0.75. And the answer is 72. The answer is 72. This means here, let's write $72. Let's make it red so we know that this is the answer. So the 54 pounds are what? Very good, $72, like this. $72. This is the first step. We found how many dollars are 54 pounds. Now the second step, turning 65 euros to what? To dollars. Same idea, I'm going to use the exchange rate of dollars and euros. Let's make it blue. Let's put it here. Let's make a line between them so we know that they are different questions. Yes. Here. So I'm going to turn what? Very good. Euros. I'll put an E and dollars. I'll use the exchange rate here. Euros to dollars. We know that 1 euro equals what? Very good. Equals $1.13. Now, how many euros did he bring back? He brought 65 euros. So I'm going to write it under the euros. So it's going to be 65 like this. Okay, 65 euros. So now I'm going to turn the 65 euros into dollars by using the same method, which is the cross multiplying method or the X method. Whatever you like to call it, just make sure that you're using it the right way. Now, I'm going to turn the 65 euros into dollars. I'm going to multiply these ones. I'm going to put X in the middle and multiply the ones connected with a line and then divide it by 1 to get this one. So multiply the ones connected with a line and then divide them by 1 to get the answer in dollars. Now, I'm going to do this using a calculator. So we have 1.13, 1.13, like this, 1.13 times 65. And the answer is 73.45. So 73.45. Now, I turned the 65 euros into dollars, and the answer is what? Very good. This one became $73.45. Now, the question wants what? They want how much money did he bring back in total. This means we add these together and we will get the final answer. So at the end, I'm going to add them, 72 plus 73.45, and I'll get the final answer that they want. So When you add them together here, you will get $145.45. $45 like this. And this is how you answer a question like this. So basically, focus on the exchange ratios and how to use them, or exchange rates and how to use them in turning one currency into the other. And then focus on what they need from you in the question. They might ask you to round or not round. If they didn't ask you to round, it's okay, you don't have to round. But if they asked you to round, you have to round in the final answer. And that's the idea of this question. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.